You'll see the Flemings, you won't miss it, if you've never been there. If you want to take a little 10-minute cruise, go right ahead. Unfortunately, we didn't get to do that today. But we do think we're gonna have all the September cruises. Even if we can't do anything at the end of them, we're gonna drive. Everybody's tired of not driving, so we will be doing all the September, the color tour and everything else. We'll finish up with Hell. I'm sure streams will be open. We'll be able to go to Hell, even if we can't go eat after. We can go eat so if you need to use the restroom, now's the time. Down the steps and straight.
Everybody look up here and wave.
Hey!
Our pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Thanks,
everyone.
Nothing for turn signals. So, how is this year's DTSC cruise to Hines Drive going? Hot. Very hot. We ended up not going to Hines because Hines was closed. So, here we are just cruising on down to Fleming's restaurant to have a nice dinner. We have a fan. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah, you're dripping, honey. You're hot. Coolant is open. Stuart, are you going to open this up? Well, I mean, your coolant's overflowing. You just want to leave it?
You're better off doing that, I don't.
No, you're not. Not this car. You are not better off letting the GT6. I know that's personal experience.
She got a little warm on you, didn't
You
it?
need to circulate, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why you need to run it.
I agree with you on that.
Running plenty cool.
It was.
Holy shit. What happened? But I mean, you weren't on the road for that long.
You can put them in the thing if you want.
Yeah?
This is a $500 car built for the Gambler 500.
That's right. I remember you talking about it, how you painted it with Delta colors. So,
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's funny because he just watched Austin Powers the other night, so he's like, it's the Jaguar. I said, yes, it really is the Jaguar.
Yeah, it's the Jaguar.
Yeah. Still running though, huh?
Still running.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's been through a lot of abuse, but if it needs something, it usually gets it. But it has to get hand-me-down from the other Spitfires.
Is that the law?
Yeah.
The unwritten law?
So
yeah?
you know, I've replaced a lot of parts on my other Spitfires that they didn't need because this one needed it.
Ah, it's great. It really is. I'm trying to get him into the cars as much as I can.
Oh, they're so much fun. You gotta get them into this kind of stuff.
Particularly these.